Okay, we're going to do some passing tones through a C chord. Okay, so from a standard C chord, plucking 5 notes from the A string down. The first thing you can do, and the simplest, is just to lift your pointer finger. Put the pointer finger back, lift the pointer finger. Okay, now you can put your pinky on the 3rd fret of the B string and get this. 3rd fret of the B string, regular C. Regular C, lift your pointer, then put down your pinky on the B string 4th fret, back to a C. So you got okay, so you can take your pointer finger, lift it, put your pointer finger back and play this chord. Where your pointer finger is in its normal place, you're going to bar the G string and the D string on the 2nd fret with your middle finger and put your ring finger where it would normally go for a C chord, which is on the 3rd fret of the A string, and you have this. Then you're going to play a C chord. So you start off with a C chord, lift, pointer finger comes up, put it back, bar the G and D strings with your middle finger, then unbar it and play a regular C chord. So what you got in effect is this. And if you go backwards, C chord, bar, regular C, but lift the pointer, okay, this one is fairly easy. You play a regular C chord and then take your middle finger and bar the 2nd fret of the D and G string and then go back to a C chord. Okay, here's a nice one that goes down from the E note, which is the 2nd fret of the D string. So you play a C chord, lift your middle finger, put it back, okay, here's one, regular C chord, then you're going to lift your ring finger and put your middle finger that bars the 2nd fret of the A string and the D string, and you have this. Not the greatest sound in the world, but in context it sounds good. So then what's going to happen, so we're here, then here, then you're going to unbar and put your middle finger where it normally goes for a C chord, but leave the A note open, the open A string. Then you're going to play a C chord, but rather than having your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, you're going to drop it down to the 3rd fret of the E string and put your pinky where your ring finger was, and you have this. So what you have is a descending line that goes like this. And then it ascends. So C, barred, A and D string, open A, and then C chord with a G note, which is this one right here in the bass. So again, C, bar 2 strings, open up the A string, put down your ring finger and your pinky. Now going backwards, you have okay, hope that helps you.